As you guys can see, I replaced my drive shaft in the last video. I replaced the front drive shaft, the rear one, the main drive shaft. I also replaced my front differential bushings, which were shot, and the rear. So we got everything down there. And I changed the oil to the transfer case. I did everything down there. Recently, this light popped up, the traction control. Well, the traction control, the service 4-wheel drive, and obviously I don't have my seatbelt, so never mind that light. And my emergency brake is on, so the ABS light came on. I have the scanner tool. I'll show you a picture of that one. It actually is the front left side ABS sensor, which I order OEM from Rock Auto. And while I'm down there, I'm also gonna just replace the bearing. As you see, my car has 217,000 miles. I don't know if that's the OEM bearing or whatever, but since I'm gonna be down there in that area already, I might as well just take care of that for the time being. But yeah, guys, if all these lights pop up at the same time, most likely is an ABS sensor. If you get the service 4-wheel drive light by itself and flashing, then you're looking at a little bit of a more serious problem. Yep, I got the new bearing in, new OEM sensor. Unfortunately, for my luck, while I was trying to unplug my OEM sensor, because it's not just a regular push down unplug, it was extremely hard, and I pulled hard and I ended up breaking the clip. Oh, there you go, there's the little fella. Yep, you guys see that? So I had to run AutoZone, pick one of these up for 40 bucks. Highway robbery. There's no reason why this should cost 40 bucks, but I wanted to get my car running and my 4-wheel drive running, since we're expecting a snowstorm.